everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem that is equilateral triangles are drawn on three sides of the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle, and all the three triangles, equilateral triangles, which are drawn on each side of the right angle triangle. So, what we have to prove is this area means the triangle on the hypotenuse area is equal to sum of the other two sides triangles area. That we have to prove. We have to prove area of triangle ACD equals to area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle ABF. Okay. That we have to prove. So for that, what we have to check first, we have to check the similarity of the triangles. Similarity of the triangles. Given what all the triangle ACD, comma triangle BCE, comma triangle ABF are equilateral triangles. Right? Equilateral triangles are the means what equilateral triangles? Equilateral triangles will have all the three sides equal and all the three angles are equal. So, therefore, angle A equals to angle D equals to angle C equals to angle B, angle E. Already I have shown that in the diagram, by that you can understand. Angle A means CAD and angle D, angle DCA. These all three will be equal. And this also. In an equilateral triangle, actually what to say is all the angles are 60 degrees. Okay, all the angles are 60 degrees. Means if one angle is 60, 60, 60, what you will get? 60 plus 60 plus 60. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 180 degrees we got or not? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. In that sense, if we add all the three angles, we got 180. That means each angle in the triangle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So, by this what we can say? All the angles of these equilateral triangles are equal. So, by using or by referring this, we can say by using what is that similarity? Angle means all the three angles of two taken triangles are similar. By using AAA similarity, we can say triangle. So here by using AAA similarity, we can say that triangle ACD similar to triangle BCE and triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABF. Right? So we have one property that for the similar triangles, the areas are in the equal proportion. For similar triangles, the areas of the triangles are in the equal proportion. So by that what we can write? Area of triangle BCE by area of triangle ACD is given by what, ma? Area of BCE by area of triangle ACD. Actually, a formula of area of triangle is what? Half base into height, right? Otherwise, area of equilateral triangle. These are equilateral triangles. So, what is the formula? Root 3 by 4 a square. Means any side you can take, right? So, any type, any side you can take. What is that side? Here I am using the side BC. So, BC square by root 3 by 4 AC square. Okay? Then this and this get cancelled. What left here? BC square by AC square. Next, one more area. Next, these two are similar. So that we can say area of okay. So area of triangle. Next, what is the other triangle? ABF. ABF by area of triangle again ACD, which is equals to, what is the area formula again? Root 3 by 4 a square. A is nothing but side here. So ABF side is AB square I am taking by root 3 by 4 into AC square. Okay. Next again these two get cancelled. What left here? AB square by AC square left here. Okay. Then, so we have to prove that area of ACD equals to area of BCE and area of BCE plus area of ABF. So now what we got? Area of triangle BCE by area of triangle ACD is BC square by AC square. Area of triangle ABF, area of triangle ACD equal to AB square by AC square. Now add. Take this as 1 and this as 2. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2. What we will get? Area of triangle BCE by area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ABF by area of triangle ACD is equals to BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. Okay? Okay? So now what we will get here? That equals to which is equals to here? AB square plus BC square by AC square, which is equals to here AB square plus BC square equals to AC square we will get. Since here AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, since AC is hypotenuse of triangle ABC, which is sum of the other two squares of other two sides, which is sum of squares of other two sides. Okay, that is the formula, Pythagoras formula. So by that, if we got like this, so these two get cancelled and left 1. So for this, what we can write for this step? What we can write? area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle ABF by area of triangle ACD is equals to 1. Then at last what we will get? That implies area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle ABF is equal to, bring this area of ACD to this side. What you will get? Area of triangle ACD. Got or not? We have to prove that sum of the triangle area of triangle ACD must be the sum of the other two equilateral triangles on the other three sides. Okay? This is the solution. You must remember the right angle triangle formula, that is AC square. Hypotenuse square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is other two sides squares. Sum of other two sides squares of two sides. Okay. If you have any doubts or suggestions or corrections, you can specify that in the comment section. Okay.